Hey everyone, welcome back to criptoekings. My name is Jason, and today we're going to be going over how to set up your MetaMask wallet. Now, for those who aren't familiar with what MetaMask is, it's a wallet for your cryptos, allowing you to store and transact Ethereum or other Ethereum-based tokens. They do not control or store any of your personal or private data on their servers. Everything is encrypted in your browser and protected via your MetaMask password. Now, it is always advised to keep your cryptos off of exchanges and in a secure wallet. So let's jump in. Alright, so the first step is going to be to open up Google Chrome. From there, we'll go to the URL and type in metamask.io. That'll take us directly to MetaMask's main website. We'll go ahead and click download. Install MetaMask for Chrome. Then we'll hit add to Chrome. Add extension, and then you'll see it prompt up in the bottom left corner. Then once downloaded, you'll get a notification saying MetaMask has been added. Prompt up a new window for you then, and welcome to MetaMask. Alright, let's get started. So if you're new to MetaMask, this is your first time using it, we'll go ahead and click create a wallet. This will prompt up the next page saying help us improve MetaMask. Now you could read through this and decide on whichever you'd like. I typically put no thanks. Then we'll go ahead and create a password. So go ahead and create at least an 8-character alphanumerical password for your wallet. Be sure to click I've read the terms and conditions. So here it prompts up a video of how to secure your wallet. It goes over what the recovery seed phrase is, and I highly recommend watching this quick little minute 30 video to get a better understanding. But for now, we'll go ahead and click through. Now here's your secret backup phrase. Your secret backup phrase makes it easy to back up and restore your account. But it does give the warning, never disclose your backup phrase. Anyone with this phrase can take your Ether forever. It is the master key to your account and your wallet. So don't share it, but make sure you write it down in multiple locations to ensure that you never lose it. So we'll go ahead and click on to reveal the secret phrase. So your secret backup phrase is a series of words, very random, but in a particular order. You're going to want to write them down in order exactly. But for ease of time, we're just going to copy it into a notepad so we can show you the next steps from here. Now, you'll have to confirm your secret backup phrase. Make sure that it was written down before you have access to your own account. So we're going to go ahead and open up that notepad I just had here. Obtain seminar blush. Shaft gossip spend. Valley canoe mesh. Village news depart. Then we'll hit confirm. And congratulations, your MetaMask wallet's all set up. So we'll hit all done. So here it's going to show all of our account information, and we'll see right here, this is our wallet address. You could copy it to a clipboard, share it with whoever you need, or attach it to an exchange so you could take your money off the exchange and send it directly to your wallet. Congratulations, you are done and have successfully set up your MetaMask wallet. Now, be sure to back up your recovery phrase, as there is no way to retrieve your account without it. Up next, I'll show you how to buy Ethereum directly through your wallet. And then we'll learn how to buy Hex and stake it through your MetaMask wallet. So stay tuned.